Hi guys, welcome back to my GH Vlogs YouTube channel. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಿ, ನನ್ನ ಗೆಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್. Yeah,
Hi
she is the
guys.
guest. She is the guest.
Yes, I am the guest.
Tell your name.
My name is Sheetal. I am her classmate.
And we are studying BTTM, Tourism and Travel Management. So today we are playing one quiz called Who Knows Who Better. Okay now?
Yes.
Let us start now.
I would be asking her some questions about her personal life, everything. Some sort of 4 to 5 questions. She need to answer it.
Yeah.
And the first question is,
Uh,
what is the toughest decision you have made this year?
toughest decision in the sense? Actually, I won't make any decisions on my own. Actually, I won't make. If I make also, that decision won't give better.
Okay.
So that's what I asked my parents for everything. But now I have changed. I'm taking my own decisions. And I have started
She
in-
became a complete extrovert.
Yeah. First standard I was be like introvert.
Yeah, very introvert.
Very introvert. I was not talking with her also.
Yes.
But now I changed myself completely. Because to survive in this industry, we have to change ourselves. And next question.
Second question. If you could instantly master any skills, what would it be?
Master it. This only talking. Communication skills. To survive in this field. Communication skills.
That's true, guys. That's true.
That's true. You should know proper language, proper communication skills.
We should be completely extrovert.
Yes. Like,
Then only you can survive in this field.
that's true. Then next question.
Next, what is your favorite place in the world and why?
Switzerland.
Why?
Why means it's covered by nature and
Mhm.
also with snow. And
Okay.
in Switzerland, I like Grindelwald village.
Oh.
That is my dream place where I want to visit. When I don't know.
Very soon you will.
Thank you for your wishes.
And the last question, if you opened a store, what would you sell in that store?
Packages.
Okay, of
Tourist packages.
okay. For
Being-
everyone, all sort of packages.
No.
Uh-huh.
There
Then?
are adventure tour packages for
Okay.
youths.
Okay.
For senior citizens, I won't tell only spiritual packages.
Okay.
Also, like how I can tell, they want to explore foreign.
Mm-hmm.
There are those senior citizen people also, right?
Yeah. And you can also start adventure tourism for senior citizens.
Yeah.
Because even some people, not some, many recently have, what to say, very eager to try this bungee jumping,
Yes,
zip
yes.
line, everything.
And this river rafting,
Yeah.
kayaking,
Scuba diving. Oh
scuba
my
diving,
God.
yes. And also, I have a plan of starting a tour only for ladies. Ladies special tour.
Cool. I would be your first customer.
Oh, okay. Then I can
I will
easily
be your
convince you
first.
to
Yeah,
take
yeah,
a
yeah.
package. Okay, guys.
It would be customized or customized package or?
Depends upon the customer type,
Okay.
how they will prefer.
Uh-huh.
If it is a ready-made package, that is easy for me.
Mm-hmm.
But if it is a customized also, I'll make it easy for you.
Oh, cool.
Okay. Done?
Like, as I am your first customer,
Huh.
you should give me some discounts
Okay. Okay.
because I would be your first customer.
Sure. And we'll
Thank
see
you.
you on that time.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Sheetal's friend coming here. Golden retriever dog.
Yes.
And guys, we just took a break from that Q&A questions, and now we came here and we are waiting for the toy train to explore. And you can see this, and you can see how we spend our quality time in Cubbon Park today. What I liked while going with toy train is, guys, they were placed our Karnataka's tourist spots in one place, which I liked it so much. Being in a tourist field, I like that so much. And you can see this, they were placed Humpy's picture, and this is the High Court, Supreme Court, everything they were placed there, which I liked more.
Hampi we visited.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಕಬ್ಬನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಬೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡಿ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಯ್ ಟ್ರೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನಾದ್ವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬೋಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಸ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಯ್ ಟ್ರೈನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವೇ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಈ ಪಪೆಟ್ ಶೋ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style.
And after watching all those things, we just came back and we continued with our Q&A questions.
Now I'm gonna ask her a few questions about me. Let us see what she will answer. Yes.
How much I know about her?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because we are friends from past
2 years.
2.5 years.
2.5 years.
Yeah. So let's see.
And I hope we are becoming friends in future also.
Yeah, we should, because it's a 4-year journey. 4
Then
years.
how come we leave
Yeah.
like this?
We spent our nights in a one room.
Yes,
also.
guys.
When we used
During
to go
our
to
study
trip.
tours.
Yeah.
Roommate and classmate.
Yeah.
Both.
Yeah. Everything.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. My first question is, what is my favorite drinks, like coffee or tea?
Tea.
Correct. Okay. What is my favorite pet animal?
Golden retriever.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
Am I more of an early bird or night owl?
night owl.
Cool. What is my ultimate comfort food?
Non-veg, I think, but in veg, bisibeda bath.
Cool.
What?
Okay. Okay. Who was my celebrity crush?
In Kannada.
Yeah, in Kannada or in any language.
Rocking star. Rocking star.
Do I prefer a summer beach holiday or a winter mountain?
You're always a trekking person,
Cool.
which I hate that.
Yeah, she completely hate trekking. Completely. But
don't
in our classmates, everyone loved trekking.
Except
Each and
me.
everyone. Yeah, except
me.
her. Except her. And am I a sweet person or savory person?
For me, you're sweet.
Oh, cool. Which I love, like phones, Android or iPhones?
Android.
Yeah, I seriously hate iPhones. I don't know why the people are using iPhones. Action or romance movies?
You're romantic.
Oh, cool.
Romantic
Yeah,
person.
basically I really love romance movies because it would be more good and okay than action movies. I really, hate action movies. Okay, last question. I love call or text.
Text.
Cool.
Even me.
Yeah. Even she loved to text rather than call.
Yes.
That is a basic comfort zone for everyone.
Texting is easy. More than call.
Okay, now it's
Then
her
now.
turn.
Now I'm going to ask
Yes.
how much she knows about me.
Yeah?
Yeah. Am I coffee person or tea person?
She loves cold coffee without sugar.
Yeah.
Without sugar.
Okay.
She has a sugar cut.
Do I love pets?
You love, but you're scared of pets.
I love Shih Tzu.
She loves pets, but very scared to touch it also. Very much.
And what is my absolute favorite movie or TV show?
I guess TV shows. I know.
TV shows.
Yeah.
Entertainment. Don't think that in movies you won't get entertainment. Of course you will get.
But each
but-
and every person has some different sort of taste.
Am I more of an early bird or a night owl?
Early bird, early bird.
Morning person.
Yeah, she used to sleep very early at night. Very
Yes.
early. We
Uh,
people used to sleep at 12, 1, she used to sleep at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock, sometimes it would be 9:30
Yeah.
because I prefer some 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. What is my ultimate comfort food?
Veg, I guess.
In veg what?
Like South Indian?
Huh?
South Indian?
You're close to that, but
Uh-huh.
you're not saying exact food.
Dosa?
No?
Palau?
Sometimes.
Okay. Give me some guesses. Hints.
It is so sour,
Okay.
like huli huli,
Okay.
and kara kara.
What hint is it? Oh my god. Oh.
Guess,
Puli,
guess, guess.
Kara kara.
Guess, guess, guess.
Puli वगैरह? Lemon rice?
Rasam rice
Oh my god. You love rasam rice?
with egg. Protein plus carb plus again protein, because in dal we have protein
Yeah.
and fiber also.
And one more thing, Deepika Padukone also like rasam rice.
Rasam rice.
Yes.
So comfort food, no, is.
Yeah. Very comfortable.
And who was my celebrity crush growing up?
Puneet?
Yes,
Yeah.
I love.
Actually, to be honest,
we
and
both are
even
the
now-
fans
yeah,
of
yeah, yeah.
Puneet Rajkumar sir
Even after he died and when he was also, he's such a good person.
fan and crush for his humanity.
Yes.
That quality I love. Do I prefer a summer beach holiday or a winter mountain trip?
No. Summer beach. Beach.
You're right.
She's a beach girl. She
I'm
used to
not.
love to play in beach and take photos, sunset, sunrise, everything.
And also I love nature, but I don't want to trek.
Yeah.
I can walk, but not climbing hills. That's so scary, and also it's danger.
Very dangerous.
Very danger, no? That's what.
But whenever if you go for any trek, just be in your safety.
Yes.
That's it.
And this was that rapid fire round.
Okay.
Sweet or savory?
Savory. She doesn't like sweets. I know that.
Android or iOS?
Android.
Action or romance?
Romance?
No.
No. You like action movies?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I want to do action.
Ooh. You like fighting?
Yes.
Oh my god. But she never fights.
But with whom I usually fight? In my home.
Brother, obviously.
Obviously.
Obviously. Everyone use it.
Yeah. Call or text?
Text.
Coffee or energy drinks?
Cold
Okay.
coffee.
No. I'll change this question.
Uh-huh.
Coffee or healthy juices?
Healthy juices.
Right now I'm following it.
Yes.
And yes,
That's it, guys.
that's it. And we know little things better.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, today's vlog is this much. We are ending it. And don't forget to subscribe to my JH Vlogs YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like, share, comment,
Subscribe.
and subscribe. Share with your friends, okay? Bye.